Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Look at decision, wrong decision make, you know, so wrong try, fast go back.
Carry it back.
Carry it, yeah man. So, I get the pipe big up.
Yeah.
Line up and set out the set back, you know. Yeah man, you see?
People them say must big you up, you know.
Yeah man, more big up everybody to watch your face still, you know.
Yeah.
Look a simple thing that still, you see me?
Carry the foundation.
Yeah man, cause don't know how overseas enough everything proper, you know.
Sure.
You see?
Yeah man, people them say, oh yeah, boy, I raise some plane.
That's bad road, you know.
Yeah.
Show people some full of manners.
Shit.
Yeah man, me man said we come back, you see your shirt?
No shirt.
You have on the shirt.
They must talk about the video.
Shirt, man,
they must talk about the video when you have on a shirt though.
Yeah man, so I put up my shirt man. Yeah man, you see me I say? Yeah man. I say I like shirt, I have shirt in about summer you know. I'm hot.
Hot through the year.
So, for the work there, you know,
yeah.
drop some pickaxe and find a one main pipe, yeah?
Alright then.
Yeah man, paper, love you know.
Straight.
Of everybody, lady of God.
Yeah. Faith.
Faith.
The whole entourage.
Whole entourage, boy, too much name,
too
can't
much
talk all. While I be, you know, watch the face, big up.
Straight.
Yeah, cause you hear that.
The whole of England, the whole of Europe.
Yeah, man. England, Europe,
the whole of America.
Spain, Germany, New York City.
The whole Caribbean.
America, big up.
The whole Caribbean, if we well locked in.
Jamaica. So I tell you, I love work.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so. Step on the ground, man, yeah?
We're gonna put you.
Step on the ground, you know.
Yeah, man, roll.
Yeah, man, I'm taking my time, cause the pipe there. I don't want to joke it. I bust it. Yeah. So,
Yeah,
time I'm out, you know?
yeah. Too much spillage. Cause some of the main they don't.
Yeah, man, there, man, and the pipe now leave off. Yeah, man. Only for work, youth. So they put out the work. Food now go eat in the sun. If I put out the work, I eat food.
It's true. Yeah.
Brother.
Work has to put in.
Yeah, man.
Yo, boy, I see your image and style that you know without a shirt, you know, so no matter what. I eat and sell it.
Straight.
You see me? I think I'm on a shirt, it looks strange, them say. Everybody I celebrate when them see them seeing a shirt.
Last time I put on my shirt last night, people like, oh, you're sick, you know, where red. That's a calm down yourself, man.
You're not sick.
I tell me just go and come back, like, flash and flash it off.
Yeah.
Put it one side. Yeah, man, I have no paper. I see me now with my shirt, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Why you sick?
Yeah, man, shirt and the lace. At no time, hot. So, peace to that program right now. Work.
Sweet. Call they are going do some box up.
Give you place, you know?
This place. Yeah. Painter.
Touch this, you know, see painter right now. You know? Man, if I don't need still with us, I get the place. Finish up food.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, finish it. Get it right.
How much dog this? 95? 95 there up on the block.
Max that, man. Max it there.
We have Max 95.
Yeah, man, original part.
Yeah.
And then all it age.
Max 95 there. That's good, you know. And the builder, one tile the bathroom. Yeah, closing stage. The barge them say a multi-talented star, everything you can do.
They watch you go on.
Yeah, they watch you go and see how the builder can do everything. Multi-talented. Very rich far, man. And they must say you can be a good motivational speaker, man. Yeah, man. Them say you must think about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them say you have it.
I wonder what one. Great boss left on the line.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, say.
What time, man? We got eye.
No, man. General.
I'm from day one.
Yeah, from day one.
Yeah,
Nah, left that job.
Yeah.
I see you to the end.
Right up to the end. Painted a beautiful job.
Yeah.
Yeah, place beautiful.
You got to tell them bright,
Right, yeah.
sparkling, looking bright. Nah, lie.
Take time scratch.
Soon and very soon, Jinjin is moving in.
Yeah.
Soon and very soon. Jeez. I gotta deal with the ramp next. The barge have that in the bathroom and the ramp.
Yeah. place clean, you can't see the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, clean environment. Yeah.
Right environment.
You can't run from a situation and go back in it.
No.
Go and see the surrounding clean just like they are.
Alright.
That's how it starts, you know.
Sure, from the yard.
From there, clean. Everything clean. Right.
After
Yeah.
fresh air breathing.
Yeah. I mean, everything up here. Clean.
Forget somebody's
Yeah, no problem. Talpi!
Talpi arrive, man. Land.
Something when we check the loose speeds in one force school, I would care about I want to get them and get the 74 school coming on.
The official thing. Yeah. Mr. Painter.
Big up, man, over here.
Doing a good job. Yes, it's not too bad.
Everything up.
Everything up. Yeah, so. I think that they want to know.
Where they? No, I'm just going to go to the
Oh, so they can go on the man. And the premium we get here.
No matter, man. Come on, go out, guys.
That meaning I must have balance. Ayan, bye.
Oh, go on.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, yours.
See, babe? From Chicago, I know. No woman, sleep on the floor.
We gotta get somebody to clean out in a phone, man.
Yeah, man.
So what with this?
My one.
All I'm dead.
So you want to watch us see it?
Yeah, but you
Chin.
Close in the middle? Close it in?
Yeah, come see the music. We gotta get. Yeah, so our friend from overseas, from the UK, he named Kingston 20 baller. He watch the program and him see you. You see me? So him tell me say he want to do it a little thing towards you where you can buy some little food and thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Him named Kingston 20 baller from the UK.
Oh.
Yeah. So him give me $6,000 for give you.
Alright.
Yeah, so liquor, polish and corn this for you.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
$6,000.
Yeah.
From Kingston 20 baller from the UK.
Yeah.
So I want to tell him many thanks for what he do for you.
Well, I you and thank you very much. Cause right now, I'm not food, so I'm just some stuff that must so one up. Yeah, cool enough to use, and that burn me bad.
Yeah.
Burn me bad.
But I declare.
So, and hopefully, as I say, people will still continue to say them can contribute towards the cause, see me.
Yeah.
So you have to just prayers up, see me. Yeah, believe and faith, see me.
Yeah,
and things will happen.
true.
Yeah, because as I say, you can't give up. So you just continue to stay positive and hope for the best. You see me? So you never know, somebody will reach out to me, see me, say they can get their eyes out or for at least save one or something, you see me?
It's gone, this now, also go, so.
Yeah. So hopefully everything can alright, man, you see me? So we can't give up hope. You see me? We never will give up, so just have a look of faith and hope everything will work out for the best for you.
Yeah.
You understand? So just don't give up. You see me? Just go and stay strong. So see you have $6,000 there where you can try to help yourself and so you can buy.
Yeah.
So you can see the money if you know how much you have.
Yeah, we see
You know the difference then?
How much money it is?
$1,000, okay.
Yes.
So you see what's going. Yeah, man.
So you just go and hold strong and you're Alan?
Yeah.
And just go and pray to the Father God.
Yeah.
There is life, there is hopes. So may I say?
Yeah, man. And don't worry your head, man. We'll try to get somebody to try to start up the place and clean it out for you, isn't it? Because the place will clean out, isn't it? So,
One by.
You want a little mattress.
you want a little mattress. You know, want to clean out and everything, man. You know,
Yeah, man.
clean out and everything.
Kind of smell good. So then use the toilet use.
Yeah, no me use it.
You alone use
Yeah,
it.
me alone use it.
Okay, so
So water you use and flush it.
Yeah.
we'll try to get things started out, man. As I say, I believe in our faith. Is what I'm saying, and Father God, everything is possible. Is it? So just go and bless up yourself. Just keep that man for
This
yourself.
just lasts till winter, you get something else again. So may I say?
Yeah.
And thank you very much.
Yeah. So name Kingston 20 baller.
Yeah.
So big him up. So Kingston 20
She
baller.
said 12 baller.
Yeah.
Big up that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, man. Just big up yourself, man. Don't worry, head, man. Yeah.
Cause one time I never knew as a coach now.
Yeah, I'm used to coach netball.
Yeah.
I used to 9 the man them when they were spraying foot and then
Nine, the man.
Yeah,
And the man sick.
And you-
And the man, bad.
Yeah. So your good deeds we used to do back in the days.
Eat
Come
and
back.
pay back.
You see
Some
me?
give
So
up to me true.
the people will reach out back to you, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we understand the cause we are going through, so everything will be good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just go on with the faith, see me, Adam. Alright then, so we'll catch up back again for the next time, yeah? So if anybody contact me, see me, I put me for you, see me. And you
And I'm gonna worry yourself here.
Next me for myself.
No man, but when you worry yourself, Alan, that's gonna help you though.
Yeah, me know.
Yeah, but you can't worry yourself.
Just me make it.
Can't worry yourself. Just put Father God in front of you and everything will alright.
Yeah, I miss on that. Miss on that.
And from the eye up, the one you not gone too bad, you still
You still have hope.
you still have hopes here.
So no worry your head, man, so everything will be alright. Just go on with the faith, see me, you see me, and believe in your prayers. And
Just
things
go
are
and pray for
possible.
Kino, everything alright with Kino, that Kino can get more contact or more blessing
Yeah.
with the people them. Because without never them, there is nothing at all.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to just bless up everybody and
Yeah,
just pray for them. You hear that?
I Kino. Women are good now. I'm bit balance now, but right, sit down, put to me.
Yeah.
It's my really best one, man.
Yeah, man. You know, I always true to you and good thing and see it out there about not
Yeah.
to get the strength. You see me?
And
So,
just big up Twitter and Mikey same.
Yeah, Peter Mikey.
yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Know yourself, man. Everything alright. Yeah, I get the place started out. As I say, somebody I contact with, get the place started out for you. You see me? Getting a paint out and clean out and spray out and everything. You see me? Because you're gonna need that bed as well too. So, things will happen, man. Slowly but surely, things will happen.
I'm bringing with a
Brand new bed. So you don't want a mattress.
yeah, and chip in the
I think
super going on.
Oh, ching.
Yeah,
Ching
man.
mash it up.
One spirit man.
You can see the chink.
Yeah. Alright then, Alan. No worries, man.
And me sleep on that. I'm dead.
So this will come recently. Make it in here.
This come back in here. somebody gave it. And I did some.
So I did that for the ones.
Yeah.
Up to be we get more help.
Yeah.
And the people that watch the program and everything and see the situation. So you just pray for the people.
That's true.
As Father God can make many more. Father God just bless them who are sending come.
Yeah.
And team.
Hopefully, I'm say everything will be alright. Yeah? Just pick up yourself, Alan.
Yeah.
We are going to force you to check Tata and everything.
Alright, you know
Yeah.
As usual. You have to get some compass. You know, like somebody put in the window.
Yeah, we tell the man, you
You can't sit on this, man. Tata.
Yeah.
Tata.
Yeah.
Blessings, Tata.
Yes, sir.
There again once more. Tata.
Hello?
Yeah. But there with a little contribution again towards you. Them say you can buy food.
Yes.
Yeah. You have a lady from the UK. She named Max Bar P.
Yeah.
Yeah, she sent $3,000. You say you can use and buy food.
Yeah, buy food.
Yeah. She named Max Bar P from the UK. $3,000.
Yeah.
Max Bar P from the UK.
County.
Yeah, God bless her. God bless her. God bless her.
Yeah. So that's
Miss Max Barkey.
yes. So Max Bar P.
Oh.
So chilling, yeah.
Car thief.
Yeah, Max Bar P.
Yeah.
They alright though?
Yes, so far.
So far. Yeah man, so that I have to buy a little food. You know, during
man.
time anybody else try to reach out back, you know. To make you know where I go on. Yeah?
Alright.
So let's go and big up yourself, see you here. And let's go and hold the faith. Yeah, safe.
Yeah.
One thing for them. Something for them.
Maybe actually urinary problem or so.
Yeah.
Okay.
One time, but him a say, tell him we that tell me about the clinic. But me that says clinic here. Yeah, say you go already and him say you have to carry that slide for him.
Oh, the clinic down at now.
Them never assist them.
Long time, almost a couple of years now.
Yeah, man, come on.
Go for
Slide for him,
cycling.
you want carry.
You are carried by
Thoroughly,
health
so
center.
them give him a good checkup.
That's how when I was working at the
Say now, you ain't up on vaccine. They will say if I go to a donation, buy my pack of pampers.
Yeah.
I see that, you have to know for monitor that.
Yeah, you need
You
a
understand?
compass.
So tell the lady thanks, Mr. Tata.
Yes, thank you all very much
Yeah.
God
for your
bless you.
kind contribution.
Yeah, 10 times better, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah man, so as I say, man, let's go on with the faith same way. And hopefully people reach out more for you towards the cause.
Yeah?
Yeah? So now we're let's go on with the faith same way.
Yeah.
let's go and continue so we can go on. Yeah, Dian?
Yeah, big up this month. Yeah. Thanks, here more blessing. Yeah.
And Chini also.
Chini.
Yeah, man, said many more thanks, you know?
Yeah. Chini go on with the face here and talk about that. Yeah, now leave here talk so everything is alright. Yeah, definitely. Big up yourself. Alright, then take care, yeah?
Okay.
Go over
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.